everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Meenal and today I will show you how I make chocolate bars. Now I have made these chocolate bars using dark chocolate. However, you can use any chocolate compound for this. It can be made using white compound or milk compound. You can also mix white and dark, the milk and dark compound, which they usually do, which some people like to do. However, I have made these using dark chocolate, right? Or you also get these compounds. I know of Mode company. I don't know about anybody else who's selling it. However, you get compounds of strawberry flavor, orange flavor, pineapple, mango, different flavors. You could even buy those and you could make with those. Or you could also, what you could do is you can color the white chocolate compound, right? Now you can, where colors are concerned, you can only use candy colors or oil based colors, guys. You cannot use watercolors, water based food colors, because water and chocolate are enemies. They just do not get together, they just cannot gel together. So you have to avoid any contact with water, whether it is, moisture in the microwave or whatever, or it is with regards to color. So you have to use only candy colors or those colors meant specifically for chocolate. So you can do that. You can get beautiful colors for your chocolate bars using this method also. So you can use any type of toppings. We have used gems and nutties here, but you can use Oreo biscuits, almonds, pistachios. You can do just about anything. The amount of options that are there for toppings are countless. Like there is no limit to the options that you have. So I have shown you basically how we do these. These are very popular in birthday parties. Kids love them, adults love them. You can do the toppings based on who you're giving it for. They can be customized also. You can take orders. If you're already selling chocolates, you can add it to your product line, and there are vast possibilities, guys. These are yet catching up. They are not so extremely popular. However, they are just catching up. So this is the right time. If you want to do business with it, you can just go ahead and start making those. So without wasting your time, let me just go to my workstation and I will show you how I make these chocolate bars. But before I go, I just want to tell you, request you to send us a like. If you like this video, please send us a like, so that, press on the like button, so that we know that you like this type of videos, and it helps us introduce or show more and more videos like this. Also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon and ask for notifications, because we keep posting different DIY videos, whether it's art and craft or food or skincare. We also talk about starting business, as in we are going to now. We will be doing it. We have our website aralibeauty.co. The link is given in the description. You can go and check out our workshops also. So there is a lot going on in our community, guys. So you can have a look at that. Once you press the bell icon, you will get notified of all the new videos, any new video that we introduce on the YouTube channel. So let's start doing our chocolate now. Let's go to our workstation and make our chocolate bars, right, guys? Okay, so let's make our beautiful chocolate bar. Right now, like I told you in the introduction, like I told you initially, that we had made this, and it was a big hit in a birthday party, and after that we are getting so many orders for this chocolate bar, guys. It's a very, very beautiful addition to your, if you're already making chocolates, or if you want to start making chocolates, it's a very, very beautiful choice of chocolate for selling. So we will pour chocolate in this. We will add the toppings, and then we will also see how we can pack it, right? So what we are going to now do is, this is I have used this Mode dark compound. This is a dark compound chocolate, only dark compound. I haven't mixed it with anything, and this is from the Mode company, right? There are so many others available, 2M and so many others. You can use any one, and you can either use compound chocolate or couverture chocolate for this. So we will just spread this chocolate evenly on our bar, and then we will top it with our beautiful small chocolates. Children love gems, nutties. So these are nutties. Oops, I dropped it. These are nutties and these are gems. Okay, I've just removed them in little bowls. So you have to tap it to make sure that it spreads evenly. Just make sure that you don't, end up adding extra chocolate, right? Whatever spills on the sides, just ignore it. You can clean it up after it dries out. Just make sure it goes into the corners properly. So just make sure that it spreads properly and evenly. Whatever is there on the side, we will pack it later once it dries, and once it is, once it is completely hard, we will just clean it up. I will clean it in front of you. So just let's give it 5 minutes. Maybe it will just take a little while. We are not going to let it harden completely because see, I will just show you. We just have to place this on top. We will try placing it now. Okay, this is wonderful. As long as it doesn't go inside, and you can place these gems randomly. If it goes inside too much, then just wait for it to dry a little bit, okay? And just to let you know, the chocolate has to be, you have to either melt it on a double boiler with a double boiler method, or you can also do it in a microwave in 30-second pulses. Okay, not on high. Okay, just make sure that it is on 30-second pulses, guys. Right? We just have to add these randomly wherever you feel like. You can top these bars with Oreo chocolates or cookie crumbles, or you can do it with dried oranges, or you can anything that is edible, candied orange peels rather. I'm sorry, you can do it with top it with candied orange peels. Okay. So that's it. I'm not going to add too much. Maybe I can add a few more gems. Children just love gems. And these chocolates, believe me, just make it. It's so simple to make. And you can please write in comments. Please comment once you, once you make these. And I'm sure you will come back to me saying that they were a great hit. Alright, so now we are going to let it dry for some time, and then we will clean up the sides and we will pack them. So guys, first I will show you the lollipops that I showed you in process. Yeah. So these are the lollipops. We had just made some eyes for the monkey. However, they've gone inside, but that's okay. The ones that we have made and dispatched, the good ones that we've already dispatched for the birthday party. Okay. Now this is the chocolate that we made, and now we are going to unmold this. I've not done anything. It is as it is. Like I told you, whatever is there on the side, try to wear gloves, guys, because your finger marks can come onto the chocolate. Okay. And after you pour the chocolate in the mold, or rather you put the chocolate in the mold, put it in the refrigerator, not in the freezer. Okay. Do not put it in the freezer, because that might create moisture on your chocolate. Okay. Your chocolate will bleed. These are those food grade ones. Maybe you could put a rubber band over here. I should have done that. It's just slipping off. But you can do that. Okay. Right. Look at the finish, guys. So beautiful. So this is the finish that you get. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to pack our chocolate. Okay, yeah, so we will take this. Now for the order, we had used another paper. I'm not very sure if this is going to be sufficient, but it will give you a brief idea how you can pack it. Now I'm going to keep these upside down, okay? Because that is, see, whatever part is going to be your top, right? Whatever, now this is going to be our top. So whatever top, that has to go to on the paper. It should not be folded. What is folded is going to be the bottom of our chocolate. It's going to be the wrong side, and that is the right side. Okay, this is just one kind of paper that I had, which I'm showing you, but you can do it with just about any paper that you like, and there are a lot of papers available in the market. Even if you're making it for yourself to eat at home or whatever for your kids, always make sure that you pack it. Now I'll have to do this because I don't have another paper, but we will do it in this paper, doesn't matter. Okay. This is not how you're going to pack it, guys, but I'm just going to secure it. Okay, I think I can remove my gloves now. The main part is done. I realized it. Yeah. Okay, I will give you one reference for what you can do here. What you can do is, you keep it on a proper full-size paper, pack it this way. This will be your bottom and this will be your top. And then where I'm putting the sellotape, over there you can stick your label. Okay, whatever label that you are going to use for your chocolate, you can put that over there. Right? We will do a separate video, guys, on labeling and proper packaging, labeling. This is not about packaging. This video was only about making the bar chocolate, and we are sharing this video. We shared the videos with you, which have helped us a lot, because these chocolates, once we started making these bar chocolates, we are getting, believe me you guys, we are getting tremendous amount of orders for these chocolates. So that is the reason why we wanted to share this with you, right? We wanted to come here and share this with you. So I hope you liked it, like this video, guys, and please follow our channel, subscribe to us, press the bell icon so that you will get notifications. We post regularly, very, very often we do that. And you will also get, we also have given links in the description to our other social media. So please join us, guys, and let's have fun together. Right? Bye-bye.